Hello students, I am Bani, your English facilitator at Learn Forward by Feathercap, and today we'll be discussing the poem Set Your Standards High. So, from the title of the poem, we can understand what the poet is trying to say कि अपने standards को high set करो, do not settle for less. Do not settle for less, do not settle for the bare minimum. Try to always exceed your expectations and try to always set your standards high. In this poem, the poet gives some pieces of advice on how one should not feel defeated even in a crisis. Let's read the poem to know what advice have been given by the poet. Set your standards high, you deserve the best. You should always set your standards high because you should always know that you deserve the best. You do not deserve the bare minimum. You do not deserve less. You do not deserve anything low. You always deserve the best. Try for what you want and never settle for less. So, whatever you want, always aim for a higher thing. Do not settle for a lower thing and never settle for less. तो हमेशा अपने जो स्टैंडर्ड्स है उनको अपनी स्टैंडर्ड्स को अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस को इतना हाई सेट करो दैट बिकॉज यू नो दैट आप सबसे अच्छी चीजें डिजर्व करते हो लाइफ में. ट्राई फॉर व्हाट यू वांट. जो चीजें चाहिए ना वो चीज़ों में हमेशा अपनी स्टैंडर्ड्स को हाई सेट करो. अगर आपको एक बहुत कोई एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ चाहिए तो अपनी स्टैंडर्ड को इतना हाई सेट करो कि तुम उसके लिए ऐसा वर्क करो दैट यू विल बाय दैट थिंग एंड नेवर सेटल फॉर लेस. और कभी भी किसी भी छोटी चीज के लिए सेटल मत करो. ऑलवेज ड्रीम ऑफ बिग थिंग्स एंड ऑलवेज अचीव दोज बिग थिंग्स. बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ नो मैटर वॉट यू चूज. अपने अंदर बिलीव करना शुरू करो और नो मैटर वॉट फील्ड यू आर चूजिंग, नो मैटर वॉट आर यू ट्राइंग टू डू, कीप अ विनिंग एटीट्यूड. अगर तुम किसी एक जर्नी में भी हो ना एंड इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग एंड अगर आप नहीं जीत पा रहे हो इस पॉइंट पे, यू ट्राइंग, you should always keep a winning attitude. कभी ये मत सोचो कि अगर आप एक जर्नी में हो, if you are in the midst of a crisis, do not feel that you are losing. जब आपने एक बार अपने दिमाग में सोच लिया that you are about to lose, you will lose. But if you keep your positive attitude and if you are optimistic, then you will not lose and you will always win. Think about your destination, but don't worry if you stray. So अगर आप अपने एक जर्नी में हो, always think about where you want to go and what is your destination, where do you want to reach. But अगर तुम अपने रास्ते से भटक जाओ, if you stray from your path, because do not worry, because the most important thing is what you have learned along the way. क्योंकि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि आपने रास्ते में आपने जर्नी में सीखा क्या है rather than कि आपकी जर्नी क्या है, आपकी डेस्टिनेशन क्या है. सो इफ even if you do not win at a point, do not feel bad, do not feel disheartened, because what matters is whatever you have learned while you're traveling that journey, while you're taking that journey. Take all that you become to be all that you can be. So आपने रास्ते में जो भी सीखा है उस सब को याद करो और उस सब से encourage हो to become that you want to be. Even if you win, even if you lose, no matter how many times, you try again so that you be what you have decided to be. Soar above the clouds. ऊंचा उड़ो, क्लाउड से भी ऊपर जाओ. rise above the clouds and let your dreams set you free. And अपनी ड्रीम्स को अचीव करो and let your dreams be the thing that set you free. So always keep a winning attitude. Now let's come to competency based questionnaire. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the word comfort. So comfort को opposite हो गया worry. Which of the following is correctly spelled? It's destination. Which of the following words mean the same as select? Select का choose. Now, we should always set our standards high. We should deserve the best. What should we do to achieve what we want? We should set our standards high. We should never settle for less, and we should always try to work hard. Make a sentence. We should always settle for less. False. Make a sentence of your own on high. Always set your standards high because you deserve the best. We should think about our destination. We shouldn't worry if we stray. What is the most important thing? Because the most important thing is what you have learned along the way. What is the rhyming word of stray along from the extract? Along the way. Stray along the way. Now, we should believe in ourselves. We should keep a winning attitude. We should let our dreams set us free. We should soar above the clouds. Answer the following questions. Whom is the poet speaking to? The poet is addressing us as the audience, everybody around him. What does the poet think about the journey? The poet thinks that we should always focus on the destination, and we should always enjoy the journey. We should never settle for less, and we should always try to win. And even if we stray, we should not worry. Write the line from the poem which tells us that we should learn from all our experiences. So, because the most important thing is what you've learned along the way. This is the line. Now, what does the word clouds mean? The word clouds here mean that sky is your limit and you should not settle for anything less than that. I hope you all understood the poem and never settle for anything less than what you deserve. You should know that you deserve the best in life. Happy learning. Goodbye.